Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to grade 6 Hindi online class. Today we are going to continue lesson 3 Hamara Raj Chinh. What we have studied in the previous class? Do you remember? Yes. Have you completed meanings in the note? I hope you would have completed. Do you remember what you have studied last class? Can we recall once? What's the topic? Hamara Raja Chinh, isn't it? I taught you why they have selected, when they have selected, from where they have selected, what is showing this meaning and all, something we have studied, isn't it? So, each country has their own national symbol, isn't it? Our country also have a national symbol. What is our national symbol? हमारा राज चिन्ह अशोक चक्र है. कब इसे चुन लिया है? When they have selected this. After freedom, स्वतंत्रता के बाद इसे चुन लिया है. After freedom, our government has selected this national symbol. From where they have selected this symbol? From where they have selected in symbol? Before 2000 years back, who has ruled our country? Ashoka has ruled our country. While he was ruling this country, he has made many pillars, Buddhist top, many stones and advices. These things he has done in his during his rule, isn't it? So from Ashoka's Buddhist top, the top part they have selected. Our government has selected from the Ashoka's Buddhist top part they have selected. This is it is here visible. The top part of the Ashoka's Buddhist. So we learned here what are visible in this symbol, in this emblem, what we are looking, that also we learned, isn't it? So what are looking here? Here we are looking 3 lions, isn't it? Visible 3 lions, but 4 lion is there. The 4 lion is showing the 4 direction. And what is the example of this 3? Did you study? What is the example of this one? This lion is the example of strongness, braveness and kindness is the example of this. And also the lion is called the king of animals, isn't it? So this also. So we always like this leader of this country. So like this, below that lion, what we can see there? The wheel we can see, isn't it? The both side of the wheel, elephant, oxen, cow is there. Horse is there, ox is there, cow is there, and elephant is there. The 4 animals are there in this both side. Okay, middle we can see the wheel. Till about the lion we studied, and horse I have started, isn't it? What is the example of horse? The fastness. It's usually it runs fast. Now look here, today's portion, the page number 12. Today again I'm going to continue from that, the horse. पुराने ज़माने horse, I said why they have selected the horse is the symbol of fastness. पुराने ज़माने में जब रेलगाड़ी या मोटर गाड़ी नहीं थी, तब घोड़ा ही सबसे तेज और बढ़िया सवारी माना जाता था. Did you understand anything here? In the ancient time, there is no transportation like now. They used for travel this one, horse, bullock cart. This otherwise by walk there, on foot they used to go. So here in the olden days, जब रेलगाड़ी मोटर गाड़ी नहीं थी, when the transportation is not there, train गाड़ी or 2-wheeler is not there in that time, तब घोड़ा ही सबसे तेज और बढ़िया सवारी मानता था. They accepted this is the fastness travel. Which one? The horse is the fast travel. So that they used to travel. वह घोड़ा ही सबसे तेज, फास्ट और बढ़िया, बेस्ट सवारी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मानता था. दे एक्सेप्टेड. इसलिए घोड़े को तेजी का चिन्ह मान सकते हैं. सो वी कैन थिंक दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ फास्टनेस. ओके, इसलिए घोड़े को तेजी का चिन्ह मान सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, बैल और गाय देश की संपत्ति मानी जाती है. द अदर साइड व्हाट इज देयर? द वन साइड एलिफेंट एंड दिस हॉर्स इज देयर. द अदर साइड horse and bile and ox is there. Bile, ox. बैल बैल ऑक्स गाय कौ गाय कौ बैल और गाय देश की संपत्ति मानी जाती है और कंट्रीज वेल्थ इज व्हाट wealth is bile and cow ox and cow are the cow is the wealth of our country. The olden days almost every houses they will grow cow or cow and ox because almost many of them they will be cultivating, they will be it will be useful for the cultivation also, so that everywhere there. So when if a cow or cow is in a house, the house is wealthy house. Now see, बैल और गाय देश की संपत्ति मानी जाती हैं. ऑक्स एंड काउ इज द वेल्थ ऑफ द कंट्री. इनके बिना किसानों का काम नहीं चल सकता. विदाउट दिस फार्मर कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. विदाउट द काउ एंड ऑक्स the farmer cannot do anything because the while what it will do, it will plow the field, pull the cart after harvesting the crop, it will load this bile in the bile gadi. Through the bile gadi they will bring to the market and they will use for this for plow the field also. Then the cow, it will gives milk and its cow dung they will use for the manure. So like this everything they are using. So देश का कल्याण इन्हीं पर निर्भर है. So it is the welfare of the country. The cow and ox is the welfare of our country. Next, सब पालतू जानवरों में हाथी बहुत बलवान होता है. So then again which we can see in the national emblem, elephant we can see in the national emblem. This is the example of स्ट्रांगनेस. सब पालतू जानवरों में हाथी बहुत बलवान जानवर है. सम प्लेसेस इट इज ऐसे पालतू एक्चुअली डोमेस्टिक एनिमल, सम प्लेसेस पालतू जानवर आल्सो. सो इट इज द स्ट्रांगेस्ट वन. लोग इसे शुभ मानते हैं. पीपल थिंक दिस वन इज द लकी. फॉर लकी, सिंबल ऑफ लकी दे यूज्ड दिस. ओके. Next, अब रही चक्र की बात. Now what is there? Chakra is there. Both side of the wheel only is there. These animals, isn't it? Now the chakra, we did not study about this still. अब रही चक्र की बात. There is a wheel. In the national emblem there is a wheel. एक धर्म चक्र कहलाता है. This is called धर्म चक्र. What is धर्म चक्र? धर्म चक्र means the right way. It is going always right way. We should move always right way. It will show that. So wheel, for example, wheel will go always forward, right way. Okay. So इन्हीं 24 छड़े हैं. 24 spikes are there in the wheel. इनको दिन और रात के 24 घंटों के प्रतीक मान सकते हैं. So this is the example of 24 hours. Why in the wheel 24 spikes? It is showing 24 hours. इनको दिन और रात के 24 घंटों के प्रतीक मान सकते हैं. हमारे राष्ट्रीय झंडे पर इसी धर्मचक्र का चिन्ह रखा गया है. हमारे राष्ट्रीय झंडे पर, इन अवर नेशनल फ्लैग, इसी धर्मचक्र का चिन्ह रखा गया. दिस व्हील, सिंबल ऑफ दिस व्हील, they kept this wheel in our national flag, राष्ट्रीय झंडे, they kept this wheel, this धर्मचक्र printed. इन सब का मतलब है कि what's the meaning of this all? शासक अपनी प्रजा का शासन धर्म और न्याय से करें. So what is it is showing us why he has done that? The शासक means the ruler of the country should rule in the right way. For showing that these all he kept. सारी प्रजा स्वस्थ हो. All the people should be healthy. देश शांति और समृद्धि, देश शांति और समृद्धि से भरपूर हो. कि द कंट्री फुलफिल्ड विथ पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. नाउ लुक हियर. अब रही चक्र की बात. ऑलरेडी सेड दिस. नाउ वी कैन सी दिस चक्र. एक धर्म चक्र कहलाता है. इट इज कॉल्ड धर्म चक्र. इसमें 24 छड़े हैं. 24 छड़े मीन्स 24 स्पाइक्स. इनको दिन रात के दिन और रात के 24 घंटों के प्रतीक मान सकते हैं. They are accepting this is the example of 24 hours. The 24 spike shows 24 hours. हमारे राष्ट्रीय झंडे पर इन और नेशनल फ्लैग इसी धर्म चक्र का चिन्ह रखा गया है. दिस नेशनल सिंबल प्रिंटेड इन द नेशनल फ्लैग, दिस धर्म चक्र प्रिंटेड. इन सबका मतलब है कि द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ऑल इज शासक अपनी प्रजा का शासन धर्म और न्याय से करें. द शासक, द रूलर हैव टू रूल द कंट्री in the right way. It is showing this. सारी प्रजा स्वस्थ go. All the people must be healthy. देश शांति तथा समृद्धि से भरपूर हो. The country fulfilled with peace and prosperity. Okay, I think you would have understood this one. So how we have selected, when they are selected, how they have selected, everything you have learned, whatever national emblem. Okay, now you are clear, I think. Now you can see this, we can study opposite and link badaliye. Look here, page number 13. उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द, उल्टे शब्द लिखो. उल्टे शब्द, हिंसा अहिंसा. व्हाट्स मीनिंग हिंसा? वायलेंस. अहिंसा नॉन वायलेंस. व्हाट्स द वर्ड? हिंसा. दिस इज अहिंसा. हिंसा अहिंसा. वायलेंस नॉन वायलेंस. नेक्स्ट शांति. व्हाट्स मीनिंग शांति? पीस. अशांति हार्मफुल. शांति अशांति. शांति अशांति. बढ़िया increase. घटिया decrease. increase decrease. बढ़िया घटिया. बढ़िया घटिया. नेक्स्ट अधूरा incomplete. अधूरा incomplete. पूरा complete. अधूरा पूरा. नेक्स्ट दिस वन तेज मंद. तेज मंद. तेज फास्ट मंद स्लो. तेज फास्ट मंद स्लो. नेक्स्ट धर्म अधर्म. धर्म अधर्म. धर्मम अधर्मम. धर्म right way wrong way. धर्म अधर्म. Are you clear this one? Next look here, link बदलिए. बैल गाय. बैल गाय. घोड़ा घोड़ी. घोड़ा घोड़ी. घोड़ा horse. घोड़ी the female horse. Horse mare. Sink सिंगनी. सिंग lion lioness. Male female. सम्राट साम्राज्ञी. King queen. Emperor queen will come. Okay, सम्राट साम्राज्ञी. हाथी हथनी. Elephant, this female elephant. हाथी हथनी. बैल गाय. बैल ox. गाय cow. बैल ox. गाय cow. Link बदले. what's the meaning? Change the gender. बैल गाय. ox cow. घोड़ा घोड़ी. horse the female horse. सिंह सिंगनी. lion lioness. सम्राट साम्राज्ञी. सम्राट साम्राज्ञी. king queen. हाथी हथनी. elephant. हाथी हथनी. Are you clear? धन्यवाद. We can meet in the next class.